What's good, YouTube? In this video, I'm gonna show y'all some good upper core workouts to work out the upper abs and get them right. Some of them you can do at home. It's like only one workout you can do at a gym, but unless you have the equipment at home, shoot, you can do it at home too. Let's get started. All right, here are some crunches I'm doing. Just work out the upper abs. It's pretty decent. It don't hurt that much, but have your feet crossed a little bit, or you can have them not crossed, and just try to go up. Don't hold your hand behind your head, and just have it to the side and try to use all your core. These right here, when you tuck your knees up to your chest, really get your abs burning. So do a lot of these too. All right, for this workout, you will be in a plank position and you're gonna bring your knees all the way up to your shoulders. I mean, not shoulders, your elbows. Try to do it to the side. It's gonna work out the side abs. This right here is some bicycle kicks. This really works out your abs really good too. Try to take your time doing it. Make sure you bring your legs all the way out, all the way in. So left leg out, right leg in, and vice versa. And try to touch your knees with your elbow. This right here is a mountain climbers. This workout like the upper abs too. Make sure you leaning forward a little more. As you can see, my back not really straight. I'm leaning forward more. This gonna really hit your abs really good and get that pack showing more. So make sure you bring your knees all the way up to your chest and keep going. This here is a side crunch or side sit-up, however you want to call it. But just working out the side abs, it's gonna get your abs looking really nice when you do this too. If you're not able to do a regular sit-up, this is gonna be a little bit harder for you, but this is gonna get your upper ab more defined than doing regular sit-ups on a mat or on the ground. This right here is called a plank. You basically having your shoulders on a pad or the ground, and you just like in push-up position, but you're not doing no push-ups. So try to keep your core tight, lean a little forward, so it'll be hitting the abs more, and tighten your glutes. it for the video today. Tell me how y'all like the video in the comments. If it's something positive, I like it. If it's something negative, I would not like it. But anyway, hit that like and subscribe button and share the video, because I'm trying to get this page bigger, or this channel. Alright then.